again, everyone. I'm here again with another Chic Sparrow unboxing. This is actually the only item that I purchased in the sale for November, and it is a Cascade in a Narrow, which I don't have. So let's go ahead and get in here and you'll be able to see. I'll just slide that out and do that. Okay, I'm gonna take a look and see. Looks like we're still on this baby oak sticker, but it's super cute. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and just pull this right out here. So, oh, pretty. So this is a Hemingway. It is a, oh boy, which one is this? Is this the Ketchum? It's the one that is the Darcy, aka Mr. Darcy, Austin Mr. Darcy, with the Hemingway finish. I asked for as dark as possible, which seems like it's really nice and dark, which I like. And I also asked for character in the leather, and I think I've gotten that as well. It has all these really beautiful lines. Go. And I did want to get a Narrow in the Cascade pockets because I think it would be a great size for the Cascade pockets. I actually do use a Narrow quite often. I use it a lot for art journaling. I also use it for traveling when I do travel, although it's been a little while. But I'll put all my travel setup into a Narrow, and that works really, really well. And I thought it would be really nice to have the upright pockets here. And you also get an extra pocket with the Cascade configuration, so you get 4 instead of 3. And oh, and these pockets actually feel super soft. I don't know if it's because of the addition of this patina here that they've put around the edges. I think it's just simply a dye that they've chosen that will match the leather, but that's super, super pretty. I'm really happy with that. All of the Cascades, and actually I think all of their products ended up being on sale for the last week of November, but they did various sales throughout the earlier weeks of November. And I kept thinking, you know, I thought about getting a B6 Slim Cascade Creme Brulee, and I resisted, and I think I'm still going to resist that. I just have so many, and I really need to focus on the ones that I think I'll use the most. And I already do have a couple of other creme brulees in different sizes, and I don't need to complete my size collection of the creme brulee. I think I'm pretty happy with what I have. And I do have another one of these. I think it is the Ketchum, the one with the Mr. Darcy leather. I have another one of these, and it's really super light. The patina is really super light around the edges, and I just felt like it didn't really distinguish it much from the original from the original leather. But this one definitely you can tell, and it's really super pretty. I really like how it's sort of just like a little vignette fade out to the edges, so that's really nice. Okay, well, I don't have anything to put in here right now. Oh, and I have these really nice wrinkles there. They definitely delivered on the character, especially on these pockets. They're really, really pretty. But I did want to get one of these in a Narrow, and this seemed like a good choice, especially at 25% off, so that was nice. I hope you all got in on that sale if there were things that you wanted, because by the time I post this, the sales will probably be gone. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, and I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.